Stonebwoy is trending for selling out the O2 Shepherd Bush Empire yesterday with a capacity of 2,000 people. Now, what we are coming to talk about today is some of the things that happen here on Stonebwoy's running album to Awoyen with Yuki. It wasn't that event one happened yesterday. We have the Ghana's independence after party so also. And also away UK O2 Indigo. Aye. Now Stonebwoy show no a lot of things happened, and that is what we are coming to talk about today. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end. If today is your first time, give us a like, give us a follow on all the social media platforms at Karma Studios. I am your favorite and youngest content creator, Sticky the Superstar. Now let me take you through the things that happened at Stonebwoy's up and running album to Oyen with Yuki, a O2 Shepherd Bush Empire, fully sold out. Now, before the show, there was this criticism and critics that were coming out saying Stonebwoy cannot sell out the O2 Shepherd Bush Empire with a capacity of 2,000. You know, some fan base, I don't want to mention names, but I feel like they were criticizing Stonebwoy because they feel like he cannot sell it out because there was another show that was going on same night, and that happens to be the Ghana's independence after party, and a lot of their money organize it with a lot of big artists and also R2Bs, Kim Poluta, Olive the Boy, and some certain musicians that were built to perform on that show. Now let me take you through what happened at Stonebwoy show. The show was successfully sold out with a capacity of 2,000 people. Looking from all angles, you can see that Stonebwoy, the full capacity of the people was sold out. Hands down, you cannot doubt it. The ability of Stonebwoy, the hard work that he has been putting in. I mean, when you start to go international, performing at small stages, and you were able to feel some certain awareness, you feel like, yeah, your man is really putting in the hard works. So that one we cannot doubt, because he was able to feel it, that capacity with the people of 2,000. Now, number 2, Stonebwoy choose live banding. Over everything, and that is one thing Beam natives can brag about, and that is one thing I also love about Stonebwoy doing the live banding. I feel like any dancehall artist or any musician should be able to do live banding, and when a musician, some of them are lacking this. One, you can sing the song and you know what they are, but I feel like when it comes to stage performance, live banding is also part of it, because you'll be able to me, maybe the song was running, beat the content. So what I say, by the moment you bring in live banding, people really get to enjoy the song and they really get to listen to the lyrics in the song, and that is what Stonebwoy did at the end. The show at Oyen O2 Shepherd Bush Empire. And that is number 2. Number 3 is his stage performance with Famille. That was lit. I loved the collaboration between Stonebwoy and Famille on stage. And then Stonebwoy decided to do freestyling on Famille's, Famille's song and not performing on stage. And that is whereby you try to shade some people, what I say they doubt him of failing the O2 Bush Shepherd Empire. What I say. So that was number 3, and number 4 is Mohamed Kudus and Fatah Ishahaku, West Ham and then Leicester City. These two Ghanaian players are mobile away EPN. They also came to support Stonebwoy whilst Ghana's independence after party show was also going on. feel like most people now, the Ghana's independence after party, it was sold out. Stonebwoy show was also sold out. So if these two people, and I say if these event promoters or more, you can try to bring like 3 or 4 people from Ghana music industry and we A-list artists trying to fill the O2 arena, now they will be able to fill it, because it's just 20,000 people. And then flyers and started say Banasa Akodi also, Stonebwoy also, Shatawale also, Black Sherif also, and then you bring in Terminator Hitmaker, that is Kim Promise, and some musicians build on the show. I think they'll be able to fill the O2 arena, and gradually we also get to the Madison Square Garden. Yeah, you can fill half of it. So what I say. So that is number 4, and then number 5 is Jennifer Lomoti, a lady in the United Kingdom. What I say, Kim Poluta, former ex-girlfriend. I don't know. That was rumors. When they alleged. True, I cannot confirm it here, but I feel like this lady also came to support Stonebwoy.
So abusuya for me called Stonebwoy show na I feel like Jennifer Lomoti ma pon make fie.
Yes, when she was stepping out, she made a video saying that she's going to Stonebwoy show, and she fulfilled her promises, and that is number 5. And number 6, RDJ also performance on Abusuya. It was very mad, crazy. Oni bi adam for ajapa odi mu mani nyo ajawo ba me so na matete ajapa mani nyo. The performance, the fans, the people that came, they were singing the song word for word, and it feel like, yeah, your man has really made it. And one thing I love about Stonebwoy is giving the upcoming musicians the stage to perform. We can make mention of some upcoming musicians that Stonebwoy has built them to perform alongside with him whenever he's performing on big stages, and I love that. I mean, projecting the young ones, because they are the future for the Ghana music industry, and I love it. So the next one is Stonebwoy cried on stage. Stonebwoy was very emotional when he was singing "Don't Call My Name." If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't call my name. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Stonebwoy was performing this song, not Yakunyaso. And your man really felt it, emotional. He felt like, yeah, fans and I yam and abroso. Oma yam and abroso, because some people expected that the Stonebwoy is not going to fill the O2 Shepherd Bush Empire, but your man really did. But prove your man wrong. So your man was really emotional. And just Stonebwoy artist, why emotional whilst performing on stage. Shatawale received award from Tree Music, if I'm not misquoting. He cried. I don't know why Ghanaian artists are so emotional. They like crying too much. They must stop that. Your wife is there and you're crying. And then the next one is his type of songs chosen. The type of songs that Stonebwoy chooses to perform, I love it. JJDJ was there, Torture was there, My Name, Top Seed, Mention, Jiggle and Wine, Stonebwoy, and then Davido, Activate. He chose to perform. His type of songs, was very, very crazy. Late. Stonebwoy never disappoints when it comes to stage performance. So that one there, I was expecting that one from him, and that is what he did. Now let me take you to the next one. Stonebwoy found this Alodia. Alodia is part of the event promoters Omo Wiki almost organize Ghana's independence after party, and then this fan of Stonebwoy decided to throw shade to Alodia because he was part of those who were sabotaging Stonebwoy's show. And then this was the captioner: "If free a year the Stonebwoy fan no Ebano." I mean, insulting Alodia, and we are not going to promote that here because any violence, we don't like to promote violence. Now the next one on the list is Stonebwoy's wife singing a song word for word, and that was amazing. You know, Bible say Obama biya hokani, they will come together and then he will be your spine. You guys are going to be one spine. And then if you have a successful and then a mindful wife, you are going to make it in life. And that is what Stonebwoy is being blessed of. His wife, he can boost off his wife. Even if he feels in the music industry, the wife no cry is a plus that music gave him. Stonebwoy cannot say that music no any year or can say not in terms of money, not in terms of fame, but in terms of her marriage material. Since Stonebwoy sacked his manager Black City, his wife I don't know if his wife has been managing his affairs and all kind of that, because I feel like Stonebwoy even himself said say the forms of in at the university level no and a degree in some stuff the wife no kind of forms no failure. He didn't know. By the time he realized na forms na babonti and he didn't fail. So a marriage material or a good wife is better than everything. Bible cry kind. But the partner boy this young in here. So that one, we love it. And Stonebwoy's wife also came to support Stonebwoy singing this song word for word. A lady sings Stonebwoy's song word for word, just like Stonebwoy's wife. And this song, we even the Ghanaian music lovers and Stonebwoy and then other musicians, we feel like we cannot sing Stonebwoy's song word for word because nowadays Stonebwoy switching from being organic patois or the real dance or the other Afrobeat Afro dance, because first now it is hard for you to sing Stonebwoy's song. You see lyrics up on TikTok so people can learn the lyrics over there, but it is very hard to sing Stonebwoy's song when it comes to dancehall. But this lady, I don't know, so she didn't know, she was singing the song word for word. And I love it. It shows that she is really a Beam native, and that was one thing I noticed about the show. And then Stonebwoy wife also link up with Mohammed Kudus and Fatah Wishahaku. During the performance na one Fatah Wishahaku and then Mohammed Kudus, they were also vibing to Stonebwoy performance, and I feel like all the people that went for Stonebwoy's up and running album tour they love it, because after the show, that is whereby the fans also share their point of view of the show, and then they were saying say Stonebwoy really done well, and then they needed more time, but time is not on their side.
Yeah, my best me bisa na say one here. So, what's one here? Charlie, love.
because when you are renting the space, they give you time 8 o'clock to 12. You must arrange your timing and everything. Say that and yes, sir, you have to pay extra money. So event organizers and as those people in charge of the arenas, they can shut the place down. They can let you close the show because with time limit in the term. So the fans was even requesting more. Now Jennifer Lomote also shared her opinion of the show. What's this Stonebwoy idea?
Stonebwoy me bone simpa so why idea we show no dear na a perfect pa. Any pa beba and na enya asem kitwa. Just a show kumio. I see no nyina ma.
She was satisfied with Stonebwoy's performance at the O2 Shepherd Bush Empire. She was satisfied. The performance was very lit. Everybody enjoyed the show. No bad sound, no violence, and as I say, there's no bad songs that Stonebwoy choose here to perform.
I don't want to. Performance,
and I think Amaria Bibi also came to perform with Stonebwoy, and I love it. You know, Stonebwoy is one of the artists. When he's outside there, so when he hits song or cry, you can still enjoy his performance without knowing his songs, and that is one thing I love about Stonebwoy. So these are the 15 things I noticed about Stonebwoy album tour or with Yuki, O2 Shepherd Bush Empire. And if you really enjoy one analysis, why don't you give us a like, follow us on all the social media platforms at Karma Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and your youngest content creator. And I'm finally out.